Tired of scrubbing through YouTube videos to get to the spot you were on just seconds before? Do you want a quick way to change the volume? Here are some YouTube hotkeys to make your life a little easier. First, make sure you click on the player. Hit the spacebar to play or to pause your video. Use the left arrow key to go back 5 seconds and use the right arrow key to go forward 5 seconds. You can keep doing this. For example, to go forward 10 seconds, tap the right arrow key twice. To go back 15 seconds, tap the left arrow key 3 times. To control the volume, instead of using your mouse, use the up and down arrow keys to go up and down in volume. Each tap goes up 5% or down 5%. Hit M to mute the video. Hit M again to unmute the video. Hit Home to go to the beginning of the video and hit End to go to the end of the video. Hit F to go to full screen mode. Hit Escape to get out of it. You can always use your mouse and click on the next video you want to see, or you can hold down the Shift key and hit N to go to the next video. Also, to go back to previous videos, hold down Shift and press P. Here are a couple of extras. Hit C to turn the captions on and hit it again to turn them off. Use the number keypad to go to specific sections in the video. For example, 5 would go to the halfway point. 9 would go to near the end. 2 would go to near the beginning. There you have it, 10 YouTube video hotkeys. Do you know any more? Please comment below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.